Again, this is class 6th, exercise 4.2, question number 2. Draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. A part is open curve. A part is open curve. So, open curve is any type of curve. You can take the example of the curve from the above question, or you can draw any curve like this, but you have to draw the curves by using pencil. Okay, so this is open curve. And second part is closed curve. Draw a rough sketch of closed curve. You can draw any curve which is closed, whose starting and end points are joined. So this is closed curve. You can draw any figure like this, like this, like this. You can draw any figure. Open up. These are closed curves. These are open curves. Question number 3 is draw any polygon and shade its interior. Draw any polygon and shades its interior. Polygon means a figure having many sides. A figure having more than 2 sides is called polygon. 3-side figure is called triangle. 4-side figure is called quadrilateral. 5-side figure is called pentagon, hexagon, octagon, septagon, etc. Okay, you can draw any polygon like this. Shade its interior means you have to shade the interior. अंदर वाला पार्ट जो है इसमें आपने क्या कर देना है, वो शेड कर देना है. ओके. Question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. Consider the given figure and answer the question. A part, is it a curve? The figure is like this. Question 4, the figure is like this. Okay, star. Now, is it a curve? Yes, the given figure represent a curve. Curve तो है ये. Okay. Is it closed? क्या ये closed curve है? Yes. Starting and end point. See the students, we can't see the starting and end point of the given figure. So, and starting and end points are joined. Okay. The starting and end points of the given figure is joined. This figure. Okay. So, this is closed curve. Yes, this is closed curve. Now, listen the question 5 carefully. You can see the question from the book. Illustrate, if possible, each of the following with the rough diagram. Okay. Question 5 में 3 parts given दिए हुए हैं. आपको rough diagram बनानी है. A part, a closed curve that is not a polygon. A closed curve that is not a polygon. Okay. एक closed curve बनानी है, वो polygon नहीं है. That means you can draw like this. B part, an open curve made up entirely of line segments. Open curve बनानी है, but वो line segment से बनेगी. यानी कि you can draw like this only. You can draw like this. You can draw like this. Lines आनी चाहिए उसमें. C part, a polygon with 2 sides. A polygon with 2 sides. Polygon more than 2 sides से polygon बनता है. 2 sides से polygon बनाना है आपने, ऐसे और ऐसे. क्या ये polygon हुआ? No. तो it is not possible to draw polygon from 2 sides. Okay. See part का आ गया. No, it is not possible to draw a polygon with 2 sides given. Okay. So this was question number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of exercise 4.2. You can do these questions in your notebook. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Draw the figures neatly using pencil, scale appropriate. Okay. Thank you.